trying to pass tailgaters. Trying to pass at a stop sign.
You can't do that.
Here he comes over here trying to pass. They watch you here to see what you're doing, but I'm gonna film this whole thing right here. Ooh, pipe in the ground. Ooh, pipe in the ground. Pipe in the ground. What are they digging? A well?
I don't know.
Drilling an air tunnel. Maybe there's a tunnel under there. Maybe there's a tunnel under there, and they're putting an air vent in there on the street. Bowling?
That's been there for years.
Gold. I want to go down there and get some gold. Look at the mountains here. Susquehanna River. What's going on here? I see a cement truck, a bunch of cars.
Oh god, I got a tailgate. Man, look how fast he came up on me.
A tailgater here.
God, I don't like driving along the wall. It makes me nervous. Well, I gotta stay.
See if we get his plate.
I mean, it's in the back. You can't. I need to stay in this lane because I have to turn.
Yeah!
Make a left.
We got a tailgater right here behind us, guys. Riding my bumper. You see that right there? This is construction zone, 55 mile an hour. We got a tailgater. How stupid? How stupid is that? Get that real good right there. It's passing us now.
Oh my god. Did you have the camera?
Yeah.
She went and turned and saw you and she said something.
I don't care. 45 speed limit. She's doing at least 65 right there.
She didn't like that you had the camera on.
Got you. Got you. But this video, oh gosh.
Look how fast she's
Look at the
going.
mountains. She must be doing like 70 miles an hour right there. I just want to get the mountain here. What's up there? What's up? Oh, looks like some power lines. Yeah, we got some power lines. It's pretty nice though.
Let's see how far. Oh, she's up around the corner, right? I just saw her.
Welcome to Kingston Township.
Hillside Road, that's where I turned for Hillside Farms.
Starting to rain, y'all. Starting to rain.
Down that road.
Starting to rain, y'all. Free air pressure testing over there. Unpaved road.
I was looking for sheets, so I knew
Sucks.
where to turn.
Guys. Ooh, wonder if there's any coin around down there. Dollar bill changer, car wash. Oh, we got a dumpster, guys. There's nobody around. Maybe we could go hit that dumpster. Garbage. Garbage. Down here. Oh yeah. We got it. We got it, guys. There's a vacuum right here. See if we see any scrap. Oh, does this open, guys? It opened. Let's take a quick look. Oh shoot. Take a quick look in there. Is it coin? I don't see nothing. Money. Money, guys. I see money. Check it out. Oh yeah, cool. Pretty cool, right? Nice. What's in the dumpster? Oh, they keep it locked here, guys. They keep it locked. What did I see in there? Tell you what I see. A bunch of boards. cans. Oh, there's an old doll in there, guys. What? Oh, there's an old doll over there in there. You see that? That's crazy. Kind of gross. See if there's any more money laying around. See any money? Not seeing any coin. You got the little swivel thing, the hose comes down there. No coins, guys. There's a little brush thing. It's pretty cool. No value left to it. I'm just looking for dollar bills or maybe a 20 or we out of here. We out of here. This place looks almost like it's abandoned. There's no hose or anything to suck anything on here. It's like it's empty. It's like this place shut down or it's abandoned, you know. See if I get back to my vehicle. Nice George Washington dollar bill there. 2009. It's a bit dirty. Must have blew away in the wind somewhere. All the good vacuums over there out in the front, I guess. Down pretty good now, guys. We got a neighbor. Dual footsteps. Not looking too nice back here, guys. That's why these people in the truck kind of made a face at me like, what the heck is this guy? Homeless? You don't know I'm a scrapper. You don't know I'm a scrapper. Got lots of junk back here. Maybe I should get this cleaned up, guys. I kind of feel funny. Funny is that this junk 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee will eventually be turned into a new vehicle. Maybe that was a junk that was turned into. Oh, here comes these fancy people. Hey guys, they left. Unfortunately, I'm still freaking here. We checked that dumpster over there, by the way. I'm still here waiting. I want to get out of here, guys. Oh, somebody's over there. They're getting their car washed. Bye, big lifted truck. At least I don't smoke. A lot of people left already. Come on, where's my friend? I want to get out of here. Really into washing his truck over there. Gotta get it clean. Gotta get it clean. Parking lot's getting quite empty. I'm here for over an hour. Quite empty.
It's floaters.
Is the thing in the back of your eye that the guy wanted to do surgery?
No, he said not to worry about it right now, but it should be looked at. It's called floaters.
Yeah. FedEx. Finally getting out of this place, guys. Woo! Get some video in. Gotta get in a car wash. Pet supplies. Here's all the construction noise. They're tearing down a Sheetz gas station, or that's what's coming. But then they're making a racket here.
They're rebuilding it.
Big cell tower hanging out in the background. Wow. That's not good. Hold it steady. Look at the mountains, not FedEx, but the mountain. See ya, FedEx. Rocky Mountain. Rocky Mountain. Whoa, look at that bridge. Susquehanna River, guys. Something going on, guys. Go, go.
I gotta pull over. You gotta pull over for an ambulance. That guy just went. No, by law, you have to pull over for an ambulance. Yeah, by law, you have to.
Get over. Follow that ambulance.
I'm not following. I'm going to Walmart.